Today, I'll walk you through how to create a custom theme in Power by using a color palette generator, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to personalize your Power by visuals with your own unique color scheme, so you can make your data presentations truly stand out. Let's get started. First, open Power by and navigate to the View ribbon at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find options to customize the appearance of your reports. It's like the canvas for your artistic expression in data visualization. Next, click the down arrow on the Themes option. Here you can see a selection of available themes that you can apply to your report. However, if you want to create something truly unique, you'll need to find a color palette online. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. To find a color palette, open your web browser and search for Color Palette Generator. There are many tools available that can help you find the perfect colors for your theme. Once you land on a color palette generator website, take your time to browse through the options and find a palette that resonates with your vision. Think of it as picking the perfect paint colors for a room. Once you've chosen your desired color palette, you'll need to copy the color codes. These codes are usually in hexadecimal format, which is a standard way to represent colors in digital design. After you've copied the color codes, return to Power by. Now go to the Customize Theme option under the Themes menu. Here, you can paste each color code into the corresponding fields. This step is crucial because it allows you to apply your chosen colors directly to your report. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, just ensure that each code is entered correctly. Once you've pasted all your color codes, click Apply. This action will refresh your report with your new custom theme, showcasing your selected colors. It's like flipping a switch and watching your data come to life in a whole new way. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom theme in Power by using a color palette generator. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your reports, but also helps convey your data story more effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.